Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matthew GS. We are episode 19 of the 51362 EMA strategy. It's 24th of November 2024 and it's currently 3:42 p.m. in the UK. This week has been absolutely crazy. So many trades were caught, so many pips were banked. So as it's Sunday, I want to try and get this done as quick as I can, but at the same time providing as much value as possible to yourselves. So I appreciate everyone jumping on and watching this latest stream. Let's just see where we were at the start of the week. So November 18th, I posted a trade which was Bitcoin, and this was November the 18th. So let's go to Bitcoin and November the 18th. This was a break-even trade, I believe. So I will show you why I got into that trade. And I bought. Okay, so I bought the 13th. So we're bullish. We're above the 62 EMA. We're above the 13 EMA. And then looking to buy the pullback liquidity sweep. So the 13 EMA went off. So I went in for a buy. Stop loss was here, as you can see. And this actually, yeah, I got break even. So if you can see here, price where these lines here, this is the bid and the ask price. So that's currently where price is. So when I bought there, price has started to reverse. I'm in profit. So then I've gone break even. I've moved my stop loss to break even. And then price has decided it wants to go lower. So I got break even. It actually hit the 62 EMA. Okay, so it actually hit the 62 EMA and reversed. So that would have been a beautiful buy to have off the 62 EMA. Sometimes it can reverse off the 13 EMA, sometimes it reverses off the 62 EMA, sometimes it can just keep going down. We don't know where price is going to go. We just react on our levels. So I got break even, and then I was observing this one to see, okay, what's it going to do? Is it going to reverse off the 62 EMA? Yes, it did reverse off the 62 EMA, and then I decided to just be a little bit patient and then go in for the buy if it kind of crosses my threshold. And as you can see, the 5 and the 13 EMA started to cross here, so I've gone in for a buy, and as you can see, price has, well, when I've done this screenshot, it's right up here, and I've got the take profit just above the high, which was take profit is or was here. So price is reversed and then hit the TP, as you can see there. It's took out this high and then it's reversed back down to the 62 main, gone again. So could have gone in for another buy down there if you really wanted to, but I've already banked the pips for that day. So happy with that trade on Bitcoin. Moving now on to the next trade. So I've just put that this is a signature trade on Bitcoin, and this was the next day. So this is November the 19th. November the 19th is here. So we are bullish still. We're above the 62 EMA, above the 13 EMA. Price has slammed down. We've got the 13 EMA alert gone off, and we've actually gone to this institutional candle down here. So it's the last down candle before this up move. So essentially it is the pullback. So I had a buy limit, I believe, set. So stop loss is going to be here, and then take profit, I had it there, I believe. So at the moment it's pretty much a one-to-one trade. However, it actually would have been good to have the TP there. As you can see, it actually took out this this high there. So that's pretty much a 1-to-2 trade, but I think I got out on a 1-to-1. So that was that trade there. Very happy with that. Moving now onto gold, and I think this was the same day, yeah, November the 19th. So if we go to gold now, let's just remove these. Let's go to gold. Okay, November the 19th. Okay, so we are bullish on gold, above the 62, above the 13. Price has decided that it wants to come for a pullback. I've got the 13 EMA alert go off. This is that candle breaking through the 13 EMA. I've looked and noticed that we've got this institutional candle here. So we set the markers. I could have set a buy limit. I can't remember what I've done now. And then take profit is just above the previous high. So price has slammed down, gone in for a buy, and then price has risen up, and then it's taken out the previous high. So take profit was smashed there, and that is a 1-to-3 trade pretty much. And then price has actually come back down. You do get these retests, so price actually can, I've seen it numerous times where price actually can come again, because it hasn't mitigated its positions on the smaller time frames. There could be like a 1-minute candle, for example. Just show you here. There could be a 1-minute institutional candle, for example, here, and prior the institutions haven't mitigated their positions on that lower time frame 1-minute candle. I don't really like to look at the lower time frames these days. I just stick to the 1-hour candle, but that's probably what's happened. Price has come slam back down. It's mitigated out its positions right here, so could have gone for essentially another buy. And you don't have to, I mean, you can just still go off this because this is the reversal zone. So this is still valid. It's still a reversal zone. And then you could have gone in for another buy there. And then imagine holding this. Like that absolutely took off. You caught that. I mean, we're day traders, so it's not. We can catch these kind of trades. Like you can leave like lots in the trade, and leave some lots basically in the market and catch big moves like this. But at this moment in time, I kind of like to get in and out, because when you're in the market still, so one of my old mentors taught me this. You're drunk when you're in the market, and you're sober when you're not in the market. And for anyone that's traded live money before, you kind of know that, and it's to do with emotions. So, for example, when there's money in the market, you're invested in the market, even though you could be off the charts and you close down for the night, you've still got money in the market. And yeah, so basically what I'm trying to say is once you've got out of the market, you're back to being sober and you've got more focus and clarity to do other things. But when you still got lots in the market, you're still in the trade, you're more invested to see like what's going on with my trades. Still working on that, but it makes sense to me. So I kind of trying to get out in and out. But anyways, that was a great trade on gold. Was there any other opportunities in gold for the week? I don't think so. We didn't get well, actually, yeah, we did. So we got another opportunity here. The 13 EMA alert has gone off here. Maybe stop loss could gone below this small institutional candle potentially here, and then yeah, potentially 1-to-1. But then again, you could hold it again for a long period of time. And then there was actually this opportunity as well. Prices slam down the 13 EMA. And we do have this institutional candle right here. So that's our reversal zone. So we're going to put a long position here. and then TP the previous high there. So that's a 1 to 3 trade. That was a beautiful trade right there. That was on the Friday actually, and that went off at 2 p.m. my time. So yeah, there was one opportunity there, two opportunities there. That one, I would say that one wasn't really valid. Nearly got to the 62 EMA, but didn't. And then we had the opportunity here, so that was free. On the Monday was no, we didn't quite get that. So yeah, I'd say three opportunities really for gold this week. So gold is very good, very, very bullish on gold at the moment. Gold has been tanking for a while and now it's found its rhythm and gone back to being bullish. Moving now on to US 30. US 30 has been positive this week. Only really looking to trade the opens. So I know I'm going pretty fast, but I hope that's okay for everyone. Monday. So when was this trade that I caught there? That was on November the 20th. November the 20th was here. So we had price come up and we hit the 62 EMA. And then so that was at 1 p.m. So this was the opportunity of, do we go in for the 62 EMA or do we go on this institutional candle which is here? And the answer is that we can go for either one. You can sell here. So you can sell straight off the 62 EMA here. And then take profit is this institutional candle here. So that is a 1 to 5 trade. And then you can actually take the buy here, which I decided to do. Bit more riskier because we are below the 62 EMA. However, we have had the 13 EMA alert go off, and I've noticed that we're starting to get this pullback for potential reversal on US 30 because it's been bearish for quite a while. So I did decide to go for this trade. Risk is all calculated. Let's just put this here. Okay, so this is the trade here. Quite a big stop. And then TP was there. So it's pretty much a, what is that, like a 1-to-1 trade, but you know, happy with that, in and out on the same day. So that one was banked and that one was a success. So you can see this is the aftermath. So I got in for the buy there. Exactly what I've just shown you. Price is currently here with the bid and the ask. Is TP is just above that high. And then that was banked and that was a 3,000 pip trade. So yeah, happy with that one. And then we had another US 30 trade on the 21st of November, which is obviously the next day. So again, only looking for the open. We've had from the previous day, it's consolidated, and then we had this liquidity sweep. So this candle here is a swept liquidity, and then it's taken off. So I noticed that it took off, and then around the open, I've marked this institutional candle here. and then set a buy limit, I believe. And then the TP was there. So it's just over a 1 to 2 trade. And as you can see, gone in for a buy. And then prices here, you can see where the bid and the ask is. And then that one was 2,300 pips, because you can see prices actually here, and it's taken out my TP. So that was a 2,300 pip trade. It ended up going much higher. Could have caught that to a 1 to 5, but happy with what I caught. And then on the Friday, price did slam through the 13 EMA, so could have gone in for a buy there. There was no institutional candle down here, so kind of a bit risky because this could potentially head more down, and I was banking that it could go to the 62 EMA or fill in some imbalance kind of like down here, but it didn't want to do that, and then it's just taken off. So I never got into this one on the Friday, but nevertheless catching 2 US 30 trades was good. Moving now on to the final trade of the week, which is on Bitcoin, and that was on the 22nd of November. So last trade of the week. We've moved everything 22nd. Yep, so we're bullish. I reckon we're heading towards 100k. It was nearly at 100k. We're at 99,402 as of Friday. At this moment in time, we're actually at 95k. So Bitcoin's actually currently reversing at this moment in time. So who knows, maybe next week we'll catch some sells on Bitcoin, but at the moment we caught the buy, and the reason why I got in this trade was because we are bullish. We've had this liquidity sweep institutional candle here, so I've literally just marked this zone as the reversal zone. Quite a big stop loss. I mean, if I really wanted to, I could cut this stop loss in down by just having a 50% of the reversal zone. So you could do this just to cut the risk down a bit, and yeah, just make it a slightly better trade overall to take. And then TP was here. So as you can see, price has slammed down. I got the 13 EMA alert go off, and then yeah, going in for a buy here, and then that was a sniper entry, and it's just completely reversed off that area. And then TP was his previous high, so it's a 1 to 2 trade, and that one was caught, as you can see here, a sniper entry there. Price was currently there, and then TP is above this previous high there, and that one was banked. So that one was actually put into Trademasters VIP, as you can see here. Buy limit activated for Bitcoin, okay to buy now, and I've given the stop loss and the take profit. That's the trade there, and then the update is 1,500 pips up, stop loss to break even. TP is fairly close, and then this is just the aftermath. TP smash 2,300 pips. So on that note, I've decided to open the Trademasters VIP group. Within this group, I will be sending out trade signals weekly. I can't tell you how many trades I'm going to set and send out for the week, but they will mainly be for Bitcoin, US 30, and gold. I will be having other trading pairs or markets in the near future, but at the moment in time, this is where I'm getting the most results. So yeah, I'm opening up the Trademasters VIP. I've had quite a few questions and queries as to if I'm ever going to give signals, and I was kind of against the idea at first because this kind of channel is really to help you grow as a trader and become independent traders. However, I do appreciate that not everyone can look at the markets due to busy schedules. So, whilst you are learning and you get to see exactly where I'm getting in, you can join the Trade Masters VIP group. If this is something that interests you, you can reach out to me on Telegram or you can email me. The email address is matthewgsuk1@gmail.com. I will leave the link for that. Also, as well, I've been getting some messages if I'm ever going to do coaching, and I have decided that I will be opening up a few slots a week for coaching. So if you're using this strategy and you've just got so many questions you want to ask, am I doing this right? Am I doing this wrong? How would I do this? How would I do that? Getting any breakthroughs, then I do offer coaching. I can't reach out and help everyone over text message because it's just not going to work that way. So I've decided that I will be providing coaching and it will be on a one-to-one basis. And from that, the sessions will be recorded. You can ask me whatever you want, and I will dedicate my time to really helping you and just give you loads of extra bonuses. For example, my trading journal, template, audiobooks, just anything that I can help you on your journey. So, coaching is now available. Please private message me if this is something you're interested in. So yeah, just a couple of new things moving forward for Trademasters. Finishing up now. The Trademasters free Telegram group is open and always will be free. This is just where I post the trades that I've got in and the aftermath. Then we've got my broker FP Markets. We get to trade any lot size on any markets. Very good broker. Affiliate link in the description. TradingView, I am partnered with them. Again, I've got affiliate link. If you want those 20 alerts, please join using my affiliate link. And then finishing up now, we've got the economic calendar. As always, on Monday or Tuesday by the latest, I will post what's going on in the markets for the week in the description. But what I want to just finish up now is what is going on next week. So let's have a quick look. Economic calendar. What we got? Monday. Monday's quiet. Nothing really going on. Tuesday. There's US dollar actually. Red folder news on the Tuesday. Some more things happening there as well. On Tuesday, Wednesday again, US dollar, red folder news. So, and in the afternoon, like straight off the bat, we've got Tuesday and Wednesday, like very, very busy. So we could have a very volatile week right from the get-go, which is a good sign. If you trade in the euro, there's a lot of Germany red folder news here. And nothing really else. Friday, some red folder news on the euro as well. Yeah, more euro, more euro, more euro. And I think that's it. So it looks like it's going to be another great week. Should be some great swings in the market. Bitcoin is starting to reverse, so potential sales coming in for next week, I reckon, for Bitcoin. And yeah, really looking forward to next week. Do you reckon there's going to be some really good setups? So if anything, interests you, please reach out to me. And yeah, let's have another killer week. Cheers for joining, and I'll see you next one. Bye.